Would you buy a $4.2 million trailer park home? Welcome to the channel. This is where I review and critique trailer park homes. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it. And in today's episode, we're gonna review a special one. 89 Paradise Cove Road, Malibu, California. 2-bedroom, 1-bath, listed for $4.2 million. Now, before I tell you 3 things I like about this property, you should know that the content of this video is purely for educational entertainment purposes. I don't guarantee the accuracy of the information. If you have questions, you can ask the listing agents right above here. Okay, 3 things I absolutely love about this trailer home. Number 3, it's the infrared sauna. Yeah, it has an infrared sauna. I was not expecting an infrared sauna in a trailer park, and I'm very, very happy. Now, the second thing I love about this is that double wide, south facing ocean view.
Oh yeah.
I mean, double wide, what else could you ask for, right? You got that width, you got that volume, and then you're directly south facing on an ocean view side, right? Because you could be west facing a lot of times on the ocean view side, but this one is south facing. It's your dream come true. The number 1 thing I absolutely love about this house, it's its location. Paradise Cove. You literally could meet Jay-Z on the beach, hang out with him, invite him over to your trailer park for dinner. That's something you're not going to be able to get with anything around $4 million around Paradise Cove. And that's a big plus. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this trailer park.
Hang on, Arvind. What does ZipSmart have to say about this property?
You see this graph, Harry? It's going up. Boom, we disagree. The prices are forecasted to come down in Malibu, and we have a lot of other gauges. But in version 3.0, we are simplifying it to a degree that will blow your mind. And I can't wait to share it with you. The prices we're jacking the prices up. So if you want to be grandfathered in right now, the people who signed up 6 months ago, they paid $99 for 6 months, are gonna get such a crazy value for what they're gonna get because they're grandfathered in. Yeah. It's gonna blow their mind. And even the prices right now are incredibly good when you see the new prices coming out for version 3.0. Okay, 3 things I don't like about the property. Number 3, we don't have much of a lot utilization here. It's kind of tight, major problem. There's a lot of privacy issues. But, you know, I don't know if I dig this industrial finish, corrugated metal sidings on the exterior. Just not screaming Malibu trailer park home for me. And it just doesn't have that panache that I would expect in my Malibu trailer park. Now, the second thing I don't like about this property, it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Your guest has to share your personal bathroom for $4.2 million. And when they are sharing this bathroom, they have to deal with these, you know, lemon, lime finishes in the bathroom. I mean, the finishes in this place is not even great. I mean, there's a lot of random colors like this tangastic, zesty orange wood paneling on the outside. And the inside, there's just not enough color. It's kind of a pale inside. So I don't know. I'm just not getting it. Now, the number 1 thing I don't like about this trailer park is that the HOA is $3,588 a month. Wow. That is huge. That's more than Sierra Tower HOA for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. That's more than one of the most prestigious buildings in LA. The HOA is incredibly high. If you want to purchase this, you're on your own. I've never sold a trailer park before, and you should find someone who can help you. But if you happen to want to buy a property, here's my information. I would love to be a resource to you. And if you like this video, check out the other videos. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.